Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage your account settings in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the account settings button. And as you can see, there are a bunch of details that you can set, like your email, your phone number, your full name. You can select or choose different other things like gender, birthday, and you can link your account to Facebook and Google as well. And here you can also change your password and delete your account. And just if you changed anything, just click on the save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.